This also very related to the children conversation. In before conversation, we have seen about the conversation or a set of expressions or set of questions which is related to the preschool babies. That is, isn't it? So this is going to helpful to make a conversation with the before school talk. So of course, a before school talk, I have chosen like a mostly above fifth or sixth standard. Okay, so we cannot make these kind of a conversation with the it's very small kid like a 2 to 3 years. We cannot make a very huge conversation, but of course we can make these type of expressions. We can make conversation by using these expressions with a class 6th and above 6th standard. Okay, so this is a before school talk. Okay, so what three things do you want to accomplish today? So if you may be a mother, or if you were a teacher, or if anybody who's talking, who want to make good conversations with the children, always make your conversation in a positive note, because they are very starting their life just now, isn't it? So you want to make a very positive conversation. This is a very first step before I'm going to the set of expressions. The first question: what three things do you want to accomplish today? So accomplish today means what are the your most important three things, or what is your favorite three things you're going to do today? Okay, so second question: what class do you think will be the most fun and why? Okay, so you're asking the children which class is going to make you so enjoyable, or which class you're going to make a very fun, or which class make you to make a fun. So like that, the same with the same meaning, but our question is one question. And the next question: who can you encourage today? So that is, you're asking no, today you whom going to encourage. Okay, so whom going to encourage, or who you going to be get encouraged to some other, like that. And the fourth one: what three things can we pray about for you day? Okay, what? So before the school, we always do some worship, isn't it? So you can ask the question related to the worship also. So this question is related to the God praying. So what three things can we pray about for you day? So today, what the three important things you pray for to the God? The next question: what class will be the hardest and why? So the same question type, the second one: what class do you think will be the most fun and why? Okay, the same question, but the same, so not same question, same question type, but the real reason of asking is a different. Here we are asking the reason fun, and which class will be the fun and why. Okay, but here we are asking about the hardest, very toughest subject or toughest class. You're asking about the toughest class, and also you're asking the reason why. Okay, and the next one: what one thing can you do better today than you did yesterday? Of course, this is a very important question. It's not only no, which is used for only the school going children or before school talk. We can use these set of question also to the everybody, isn't it? So this is a very important conversation type. So what one thing can you do better today than you did yesterday? So you're asking the children, what are you going to do today when comparing the yesterday? What you're going to do betterly when comparing the yesterday one? The next question: what can you compliment people about today? So on what reason you're going to do some compliment to the other people? The next thing: what is something special you could do for your teacher today? So you're asking the children, what are special things you're going to do for the teacher? Okay, so this is a set of question you can come up with the before talk. Okay, before going to the school. So as I mentioned, this is a before school talk, but you can make these expressions or these question tags. You can use after school talk also, because I have chosen only the common things. Okay, so you can use it rather before the children is going to school or after the school was get finished. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell is, This is not only going to help you for the parents or a teacher alone. This question tag can be used for everybody, because I'm not actually mentioned everything related to school apart from 2 to 3 questions. Okay, so I have make it as a very general one. So you can use it for your general usage also.